Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today we build a monster sign. No, really, it's a monster sign. You wanna see how I did it? Stick around. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that build. This build was a little bit different. I know you guys have seen me do other signs in the past, like the Fortnite, the PUBG, and even the Nintendo. But this one's just a slightly different. It's actually a little bit bigger as well. So what that actually freed me up to do is actually add a single plug down here that you would just connect to the wall. So when this is plugged in, it just lights up. So that makes things a lot simpler. We don't have that box hanging around. And I thought that was really cool. The other thing that there was a lot more tool changes than the previous ones, and also it used almost exactly the full roll of 16.4 foot lights. So this one was just a monster, literally a monster build. So thanks for watching folks, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.